How to fix Instagram can't add audio or music to Reels easily and fast. So if you have this problem, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing you wanna do, guys, is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this, and now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find the Instagram app and then click on it like this, and now click on this force stop option and go into the data usage. Make sure that everything is enabled and go back again. Open the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back, click on the power usage details, go to the power consumption alert right here, disable it and then enable it, and then go back to the settings on your phone. Open the wireless and networks page, go to the Wi-Fi, disable it and then enable it. And last thing you want to do now is go to the Play Store or the App Store and make sure to update your Instagram into the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe.